northwestern Lawrence County in eastern Arkansas, southeastern Sharp County in north-central Arkansas, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 7 miles northeast of Cave City, or 16 miles west of Lake Charles State Park, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lake Charles State Park, Ravin DEN, Smithville, Calamine, Lynn, Poughkeepsie, Portia, Eaton, Black Rock, Birdle, Nelsonville, Honeyville, Strawberry, Shrum, Davidsonville Historic State, Pennsylvania, Powhatan Historic State Park, Powhatan, and Bowdoin, Walnut Ridge. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Lawrence and Randolph.